Look at the left side of this interface mockup. That red warning box means the software can't reach the server. Now look at the right side, a clean progress bar completing a 4K export. Moving from that error to this performance is a matter of configuring version 18.5.0 correctly. This specific update addresses the timeline lag and restores access to the missing template and effect libraries. Even with the update, server traffic can occasionally block your access. I will demonstrate a two-step fallback method to resolve these network errors without requiring a permanent background VPN connection. Completing this setup protocol enables the application's full rendering capability and prepares your device to handle server errors without the constant speed drops associated with standard workarounds. Step 1 is confirming your starting point. Open your device's app info screen and verify that your version number reads 18.5.0. Launch the application, accept the initial terms, and skip the introductory sequence to reach the main dashboard. From the dashboard, tap the Profile tab, labeled Me, and select the Settings gear icon in the corner. This diagram shows the specific menu toggle you need to find. Select Business Creator Mode and move the switch from the inactive gray state to the active green state. When this switch is left off, the template library often remains empty. Activating it allows the new 18.5.0 tools to populate the menus as intended. To confirm the settings are active, tap New Project and import a standard video clip to begin a stress test. Open your video effects. You should see the trending categories load immediately without the usual loading lag. Now check the body effects. These complex tracking tools should now be responsive and ready to apply to your subject. Move into the Animations menu. The In, Out, and Combo tabs load right away, providing access to 3D options without freezing the interface. Verify your transitions. The entire library is now accessible, including any temporary or seasonal features included in the update. Tap into Filters and apply a high-resolution 4K option. It should apply to the timeline the moment you select it. Test the typography engine by adding a text layer and opening the text templates. These animated effects generate without the software hanging. For the final test, look at this export interface. We are pushing the parameters. Because each of these data-heavy categories loaded in sequence without interruption, the local installation is now stable and responsive. If you encounter a no internet or too many people error later on, you need a specific hierarchy of fixes. The first option is installing the Proton VPN application from your official app store. Only use this VPN when you see a connection error. Leaving it on all the time routes all your device data through extra servers, which slows down your overall internet speed. If the VPN does not clear the error immediately, turn it off and use the hard reset protocol instead. Close the app, go to your device's system settings, find the app info page, and select storage usage. You must follow this flowchart exactly. First, clear cache, then clear data. This sequential purge forces the software to initiate a clean handshake with the server on the next launch. These two interventions bypass regional server throttling and remove corrupted local files, ensuring the editing tools remain accessible. You now have a fully operational, lag-free editing environment optimized for the 18.5.0 update. Your timeline is ready for complex 3D tools, and you have a verified protocol to handle any future network interruptions. Note that the hard reset protocol may occasionally prompt you to log back into your account after the data is cleared. If you find these login requirements are interfering with your workflow, mention it in the comments. We can cover the specific steps for managing account access in a dedicated tutorial.